So this video, with some other ones, are going to be part of like a mini series on just how to do like small little things. This video I'm going to be showing you how to take off the engine cover on a 4.6 Genesis Sedan. This also applies to the 5.0 and 3.8s, although the engine cover looks slightly different. The principle is the same. So the engine cover is held on by some suction cup mounts, and it's actually pretty straightforward in how to remove it. It is easier with two people, but definitely possible with one. All you gotta do is, what I like to do is take your right hand and basically place it underneath this corner right here. Take your left hand, basically place it towards the back over here, and wiggle like back and forth, and then as you pull, you'll hear it pop, the other side will pop, and then don't just, rip it off. You want to go to the other side first. Do the same thing, right hand on this side this time, closer to the back, and left hand right over here. Basically just pull, and then the engine cover will come off. I already popped it, that's why it looks so easy. I'm doing this with one hand, so it will take a little bit of effort to get them off. But as you'll see, these little suction cup mounts. So there is 1, 2, 3, and 4. That guy right there. And that's all it's holding it on. So yeah, once you pop that off, you're good to go, and you can start doing whatever you need to do.